up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Steph and today's video is going to be how I style my naturally curly hair. So for the longest time, I never wore my hair curly and I've just embraced it. I feel like I've just been embracing a lot of things lately. Freckles, curly hair, you know. So since I've been wearing my hair naturally curly, I've gotten so many questions about how I style it and what products I use. Honestly, it's super simple, and I feel like the products I use aren't necessarily for like defining curls or a mousse or anything like that, because I don't want my hair to feel sticky. I don't want my hair to feel crunchy, and I feel like a lot of like curling products can do that to my hair. So I'm going to show you the products that I use, the whole process, and I will do my hair just like usual. So I will style my hair and then I will leave my hair with the curls for however many days, probably 5 days. I'll do refreshers in between, and I'll show you how I do that as well. But yeah, if you'd like to see how I style my naturally curly hair and what products I use to keep my hair super soft and bouncy with my curls, then just go ahead and keep on watching. I am just starting out with towel dried hair, and the first product we're going to use is from IGK, and this is their Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. I'm using a pretty generous amount with this, and I'm just warming that up between my hands, and then I take this all the way from the root of my hair all the way down to the tips. And like I said in the intro, I prefer using products like this rather than a traditional mousse or a curl definer. I feel like it just keeps my hair feeling super soft while still giving the definition that I want and keeping my curls nice and bouncy. So after I get this all throughout my hair, I'm going to go in with a hair oil. I have tons of favorite hair oils, but right now my favorite one is from Playa. This is a ritual hair oil. So I'm going to do a few drops of that and then also put that all throughout my hair. And I do focus a little bit more on the ends. And you can see here, as I'm applying my hair products, I am kind of just scrunching up my curls as well. Because I've worn my hair straight for such a long time, the roots are still very curly, but sometimes the ends of my hair tend to get a little bit straight looking, which sounds so strange, but I think your hair just kind of adjusts to being straight all the time. And now I am using the Next Level Heat Activated Volume Spray from IGK. If you have fine hair or you just love big hair, this product is for you. So I am just spraying that all throughout the roots of my hair, mostly focused on the crown, and then I am going to start blow drying. I'm using my T3 dryer, and I just have this on medium heat. I'm not using a diffuser or anything. I am just scrunching my hair as I blow dry. I really don't do anything special here. I am just blow drying and kind of scrunching up my curls as I go, and I also like to kind of just flip my hair back and forth. I feel like it gives a little bit more volume to the roots if you blow dry that way. And yeah, just keep blow drying until all of your hair is dry, and then I'm going to show you guys how I kind of go through and define. Now it's time to fine tune. So my hair is completely dry, and I'm going to go in with my Numi wand and just kind of pick out pieces that look extra frizzy or they look just a little bit out of place, and I'm just going to do a quick curl on those. And the key to doing this when you have curly hair is to not flatten out the piece of hair before you wrap it around the wand. You can see here I'm just holding it really loosely, and that's just going to really bring that curl together without making it look obvious that you curled that hair on a wand, if that makes sense. So just kind of grab your piece, wrap it around the barrel really loosely, and then you're good to go. So I don't do this with all of my hair, of course. I'm just grabbing those really frizzy, unruly pieces and just kind of fine tuning and making everything look nice and cohesive. I always like to really focus on the pieces right around my face. You can see most of them are nicely curled, but like this piece right here is just super frizzy. So I like to make sure that all of the pieces that are framing my face are nice and smooth. So grabbing that last little guy, and then it is time to finish this up. To finish off the look, I'm using the IGK Speechless Dry Oil Finishing Spray. So this is amazing. It just goes on so well. I love that it's in a spray form, so it's easy to put through your hair. And I am mostly just hitting the ends of my hair with this. It gives your hair a nice shine and it keeps it from being too frizzy. And to really fight off the frizz, I'm using Crybaby from IGK as well. This is an Anti-Frizz smoothing serum, and it smells delicious. So I just run that through my fingers, and then I kind of focus that on the top of my hair where I get lots of flyaways, and then on the very ends of my hair. And I just kind of shake that all throughout. And once you do that, this looks complete. So I hope you guys enjoyed my natural hair routine. If you did, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
I remember always all the mornings in the park, flying with my friends like we were Superman. Although we are older.